Hi, this is Top Level Outcome 3 for the online math course. In this topic, we're going to be identifying and graphing linear equations. This is an example of a linear equation, y equals x plus 1. When you look at this equation, the y corresponds to the line on the graph that is vertical, and the x corresponds to the graph, the line that is horizontal. You can see the axes here are marked. When you see y equals x plus 1, you have to assign a number to the x and then solve for y. You should do this for several points so that you're able to determine the points of the line. Then you can graph that line to solve that linear equation. At that point, you'll be able to graph a point on the graphing paper. I used Excel over here to the right. You can do that, or you can graph it by hand on graphing paper. But for purposes of this class, we'll use Excel. So the example is y equals x plus 1. If x equals 1, then y equals x plus 1, which equals 1 plus 1, which equals 2. So the first point of xy would be 1, 2, meaning the x, when the point of x equals 1, the point of y equals 2. If x equals 2, then y equals x plus 1 equals 2 plus 1, which equals 3. So the second point for these purposes would be x equals 2, y equals 3. So what I did over here was I set up in Excel an XY chart. So for the points that we put in of x into y, these are the answers we got. 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Next, what we did is we made this calculation into a table, because we want to graph the table. So in order to do a table, we highlighted the x and y headers and all the numbers, and we hit insert. I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to explain. Insert table. You can't see it here, but it's around here. And when you do that, you're going to, let me make it bigger so maybe we can see that. Actually, it's out of the screen. So anyway, you hit insert table and hit enter, and it's going to make it look like this. Okay, once you have this, you can create the graph. To do that, you highlight the entire chart or table, you click insert, and you click chart. You choose the insert scatter chart, then enter, and choose scatter straight lines. At that point, you can choose a location where you want the chart, and be sure you include the same amount of cells. So let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so in order to do this, to make it a table, we're going to do insert table, and we can hit OK. And it made it the table. So I'm going to undo that because it's just for an example, but that makes that. Once you get this, you want to make it a graph. So you're going to click that, and you want to insert the chart, the insert scatter XY chart, and you want to choose this one. And as you can see, as you hover over it, it's going to give you an example of what it looks like, which is right down below. Okay, if you click on that, it's going to make this chart right here. That's my example of identifying and graphing linear equations. Thank you.